Also here, let's talk about Samsung shares. They're receiving a boost after reporting preliminary results for the quarter ending in June. The earnings guidance also spurring momentum to the upside for other chip makers here. And it was interesting what they pointed out here because it's at a time where LG had actually come out and said the exact opposite thing. And so their consolidated sales, they're looking for approximately 77 trillion Korean won, an operating profit of 14 trillion Korean won. LG on the other side, they're looking for a 12% earnings fall based on weaker demand here. And both of those guidances coming out on the same day here, Saz.
Yeah, and also you're seeing some really strong gains by some of the competitors or some of the companies that play in that Samsung space. SK Hynix shares up, Taiwan Semiconductor, hot ticker on the platform right now. United Microelectronics catching a bit here off of this. It looks like the street is just really locking in on that 21% sales increase for the company. But, Brad, I do think this is very company specific or expectations. It may have gotten too low for Samsung. I still think that Micron report in that earnings last week is a better tell on what we might hear from an Intel, an NVIDIA, and an AMD when they report earnings in a couple weeks.
Yeah, spot on. Keeping a close eye on the chip space and semis, particularly here.